Well, we're back now for the easyjet. We got the football. Definitely football this time. But we're back for easyjet. That should be coming in any moment. After this will be the only plane I'll be doing until the Royal Air Force private jet. You'll see what I mean when I come down. I think here comes the easyjet. I'm going to be doing a monitor career after this video, but then going out. So yeah. Guys, if you haven't already, can you please go and subscribe, please? And likes would be very good. If you're not subscribing, then just like anyway. I hear it. Yeah, I hear it. I see it.